Independence is a valuable trait that empowers individuals to navigate life with confidence and self-reliance. Here are 9 key traits commonly found in independent people. Self-reliance. Independent individuals trust their own abilities and judgment. They are confident in making decisions and solving problems without constantly relying on others. Initiative. Independent people are proactive and take the initiative to pursue their goals. They don't wait for instructions or depend on external motivation. Instead, they are self-starters who seize opportunities. Resilience. Independence often comes with the ability to bounce back from setbacks. Independent individuals are resilient, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Autonomy. Autonomy is a defining characteristic of independent people. They value their freedom and prefer to make choices that align with their personal values and objectives rather than succumbing to external pressures. Decision-making skills. Independent individuals are skilled decision-makers. They weigh options carefully, consider consequences, and confidently choose the path that aligns with their goals and values. Adaptability. Independence is closely linked to adaptability. Independent individuals can navigate various situations with ease, adjusting their approach when needed and embracing change as a natural part of life. Time management. Independent people are often excellent at managing their time efficiently. They prioritize tasks, set goals, and maintain a disciplined approach to ensure they make the most of their time and achieve their objectives. Emotional independence. Independent individuals have a strong sense of self and emotional resilience. They don't rely on others for validation or fulfillment, finding their own sources of happiness and contentment. Continuous learning. Independent individuals have a thirst for knowledge and a commitment to self-improvement. They actively seek opportunities to learn and grow, whether through formal education, self-study, or gaining insights from their experiences. Cultivating these traits can contribute to the development of a strong, independent mindset that empowers individuals to lead fulfilling and purpose-driven lives. Goodbye, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.